The Rubik's Cube 3x3 is a classic and iconic three-dimensional puzzle that has captivated the minds of people worldwide since its invention in 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture Erno Rubik. This puzzle is often simply referred to as the Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube 3x3 consists of a 3x3 grid of smaller cubelets, with each face of the larger cube being a different color. The standard color scheme includes white, yellow, green, blue, red, and orange. The objective of the puzzle is to twist and turn the smaller cubelets in such a way that each face of the larger cube is a single solid color. The cube initially starts in a solved state, with each face of the cube displaying a single color. However, as soon as the cube is twisted and turned, the colors become mixed up, and solving the puzzle involves bringing the cube back to its original state. Each turn of the Rubik's Cube involves rotating one of the faces by 90 degrees in either direction, clockwise or counterclockwise. This twisting of the faces causes the smaller cubelets to rearrange themselves, adding to the complexity of the puzzle. The challenge lies in figuring out the right sequence of moves to solve the puzzle, which can be quite intricate and requires strategic thinking. The Rubik's Cube is not only a brain-teasing puzzle but also a symbol of creativity, problem-solving, and perseverance. Over the years, solving methods and algorithms have been developed to aid in solving the cube, ranging from beginner-friendly approaches to advanced speed cubing techniques that allow enthusiasts to solve the puzzle in a matter of seconds. The Rubik's Cube has inspired countless individuals to delve into the world of puzzles, mathematics, and logical thinking. It remains a timeless classic that continues to intrigue and engage people of all ages and backgrounds.